our processional are the college marshals, Dr. Gilbert E. Lopez and Professor Demetrio E. Castillo.
Coming their way, our University Registrar, Professor Phil V. Morano. Our Campus Registrar, Mr. Victor B. Encinares III.
Next are the department chairpersons leading the candidates for graduation together with their parents and guardians. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Dr. Gerald H. Estelier, chairperson of the Agricultural Technology Department, together with the candidates for the degree Bachelor in Agricultural Technology and their parents.
Mention mo, sila lang yung president. Sila lang yung president. Ay, kayo ba?
Next in line, next in line, Dr. Greg G. Olaires, Chairperson of the Elementary Education Department, together with the candidates for the degree Bachelor of Elementary Education and their parents.
masyadong verbose kasi mga gabi. On the way to their seats, approaching. Ano sabihin? With the way from Dubai.
Dapat na.
Pabintang si Sir Jay. Pabintang si Sir Jay.
Kawawa naman yung mga walang parents. Ano?
Pagkain na dyan sa pagkakagit na pagkain sa ano?
Approaching is Professor Maria Richel M. Marcaida, Chairperson of the Secondary Education Department, together with the candidates for the degree Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Filipino, and Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Social Studies, and their parents.
Lahat dito ikaw na. Tama ba? Ay, si Bert. Ikaw na lahat. Tapos pag balik na sa position, tapos ano na tayo? Tapos ikaw na lahat. Ikaw na dyan lahat. Para ano? Smooth. Ikaw na to. Tubusin mo na yun. Para smooth. Tapos pag position, tapos please. Ikaw kasi kilala mo yun. Ikaw na dyan lahat. Lahat na nandyan. Tapos ang position, tapos. Hindi ko nga, wait, nagtulog na.
Next, Professor Mana C. Guim, Chairperson of the Entrepreneurship Department, together with the candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship and their parents. Approaching Professor Maricris L. Codon, Chairperson of the Business Administration Department, together with the candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in microfinance, and their parents.
Okay na?
At this juncture, let us acknowledge with a warm round of applause the outstanding graduates in service, in leadership, and in scholarship. Of course, outstanding graduates of Bicol University Gubat campus and their proud parents.
Let us witness the Bicol University Gubat campus, faculty and non-teaching personnel, headed by our Associate Dean, Dr. Evan Carlo B. De Blois, and our OIC Dean, Dr. Rosie P. B. D., the heads of offices, the deans and directors from other units and colleges of Bicol University, the Bicol University Vice Presidents. We will likewise welcome the members of the Board of Regents and our distinguished guests. And now, let us warmly welcome the 9th President of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC, President 4.
Ako na. Ako na.
Ladies and gentlemen, the University Mace as the symbol of academic authority is carried by the Acting Board Secretary, Professor Daves L. Tonga. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together as we welcome our commencement speaker, Dr. Aline Vrancilia, President-elect of Life Academy International College.
To formally open this 21st commencement exercises, we invite Professor Phil B. Morano, University Registrar.
Today, we come together as one Bicol University community to commemorate a defining milestone in the lives of our graduates as we hold the 21st Bicol University Gubat Campus commencement exercises. Our distinguished guest of honor and commencement speaker, Dr. Aline Vrancila, President-elect of Life Academy International College. Honorable Ronel Yu Lim, Mayor of the Municipality of Gubat. Dr. Rickmar P. Aquino, Commissioner of the Commission on Higher Education and Chairperson of the Bicol University Board of Regents. Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4 and Vice Chairperson of the Bicol University Board of Regents. To the honorable members of the Board of Regents, Honorable Jude A. Asidre, Chairperson of the Committee on Higher and Technical Education, House of Representatives, represented by Honorable Carlos A. Loria, representative of the 2nd District of Albay. Honorable Emmanuel Joel Jose Villanueva, Chairperson of the Committee on Higher, Technical, and Vocational Education, Senate of the Philippines. Director Edna Cynthia S. Berces, Regional Director of the Department of Economy, Planning and Development, Regional Office Number 5. Director Romel S. Serrano, Regional Director of the Department of Science and Technology, Regional Office 5. Director Rodel P. Tornilla, Regional Executive Director of the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office Number 5. Mr. Denley Sider A. Mirabueno, Private Sector Representative. Architect Ranulfo S. Imperial, Private Sector Representative. Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, PhD, President of the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated and Alumni Regent. Professor Indira B. Tabo, President of the Bicol University Union of Faculty Association Incorporated and Faculty Regent. Mr. Kyle Ruben Obron, Chairperson of the University Student Council and Student Regent. Ms. Tristin Carmel de Mesa, newly elected Chairperson of the University Student Council and incoming Student Regent. Our Acting University and Board Secretary, Professor Daves L. Tonga. The Vice Presidents of Bicol University, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. Professor Sunny A. Ramos, Vice President for Planning and Development, and Dr. Lani L. Maceda, Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. The OIC Dean of Bicol University Gubat Campus, Dr. Rosefi D., and the Associate Dean, Dr. Evan Carlo de Blois. To our distinguished deans, directors, department chairpersons, non-teaching personnel, and university officials, to the proud parents, families, benefactors, and guests, and most especially the members of the graduating class of 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, we come together to honor a generation of graduates whose unwavering dedication, perseverance, and resilience have led them to this significant milestone. As they stand at the threshold of new endeavors and greater opportunities, we celebrate not only the successful completion of their academic journey, but also the limitless potential that lies ahead. Inspired by the theme, Class of 2026, Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners, we pay tribute to our graduates for their pursuit of excellence and their preparedness to thrive in a rapidly changing world, anchored in integrity, equipped with competence, and committed to continuous learning. As University Registrar, and on behalf of the Bicol University Administration, it is my distinct honor and privilege to formally declare the 21st Bicol University Gubat Campus Commencement Exercises open. Thank you.
Thank you, University Registrar, Professor Phil V. Morano. We now come to the entrance of colors by the Bicol University Reserve Officers Training Corps.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Dr. Gilbert E. Lopez, BUGC faculty member. For the Arts, Cabidan, Sorsogon City. Signed our OIC Dean, Dr. Rosipi B.D., and baby boy, Benjamin D. Nebres III, EDD, the SUC President 4 of Bicol University. At this juncture, we will now proceed to the imposition of the Bicol University Alampay to the graduates of the baccalaureate degrees. May I call on stage Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, to lead this ceremony.
Our esteemed commencement speaker, Dr. Allen Brancilia, President-elect, Life Academy International College, the Honorable Mayor of Gubat, Honorable Ronel Lim, the Honorable Members of Bicol University Board of Regents, Dr. Rick Marpi Aquino, CHED Commissioner and Chairperson, Bicol University Board of Regents, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4 and Vice Chairperson of Bicol University Board of Regents, Honorable Emmanuel Joel Jose Villanueva, Chairperson, Senate Committee on Higher Technical and Vocational Education, Senate of the Philippines, Honorable Jude A. Acedre, Committee on Higher and Technical Education, House of Representatives, represented by Honorable Carlos A. Loria, Representative 2nd District of Albay, Director Edna Cynthia S. Berses, Regional Director, Department of Economy, Planning and Development, Regional Office 5, Director Romel S. Serrano, Regional Director, Department of Science and Technology, Regional Office 5, Director Rodel P. Tornilla, Regional Executive Director, Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 5, Attorney Dr. Alex B. Nepomuceno, President, Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated, Professor Indira B. Tabo, President, Bicol University Union of Faculty Association Incorporated, Mr. Denley Sider A. Mirabueno, Private Sector Representative, Architect Arnulfo L. Imperial, Private Sector Representative, Ms. Tristan Carmel de Mesa, Chairperson, University Student Council and Student Regent, the Acting University and Board Secretary, Professor Daves L. Tonga, esteemed guest from the Life College, the Vice Presidents, Dr. Lani L. Maceda, Vice President for Research, Development and Extension, Professor Sane A. Ramos, Vice President for Planning and Development, and Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. Dr. Rosefi B.D., Acting Dean of BU Gubat, other deans and directors, heads of offices, department chairpersons, program advisors, faculty and non-teaching personnel, other university officials, the proud parents, relatives, and benefactors, and most especially to our dear graduates. Isang magandang hapon, good afternoon. As I call upon the graduates of each program, please rise for the imposition of the Bicol University Alampay. Bachelor in Agricultural Technology, one at a time, please. Take your seat, graduates, one at a time. Bachelor in Elementary Education, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Filipino, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Microfinance. My dear graduates, please take a moment of silence and listen with all your mind and heart as I read to you the essence of the imposition of the Bicol University Alampay. The Bicol University takes the honor and pride to impose upon you this alampay, the ultimate symbol of the respective degrees you've completed. The alampay is the symbol of your profession. Wear it with dignity, live up to its expectations, and let it remain pure and untarnished. It is a covenant that will bind you to your alma mater. May this ever be your guide in the exercise of your profession with dignity, prudence, and justice. We shall now have the imposition of the Bicol University Alampay. Graduates, you may now switch your alampay from your right to your left shoulder. Congratulations to our dear graduates of BU Gubat, Batch 2026.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs. You may now take your seat. As we advance through our commencement exercises, we arrive at a significant juncture for our undergraduate students, the distribution of diplomas to the graduates of baccalaureate degrees, symbolizing not only the completion of their academic journey, but also the commencement of their promising professional paths. We invite once again Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III, SUC President 4, to lead the ceremony, of course, to be assisted by the Vice Presidents, University Registrar, Deans and Directors, College Registrars, and BU General Alumni President, and our Campus Dean to present the diplomas to our graduates of baccalaureate degrees.
The names of the graduate will be read as follows. Bachelor in Agricultural Technology by the program chairperson, Dr. Gerald H. Istillier.
Bachelor of Elementary Education by the program chairperson, Dr. Greg G. Olaires.
Bachelor of Secondary Education by the program chairperson, Assistant Professor Maria Richel M. Mercaida.
Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship by the program chairperson, Ms. Mana C. Guim.
And for the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major and Microfinance by the program chairperson, Professor Maricris L. Codon.
For the Bachelor in Agricultural Technology, April Ann Incenas Adan. Jonaline Rebo Alcantara. Milaine Tolen Ariston. Claire Laguna Azores. Rose Ann Indonela Balote. Gina Pigason Banyares.
Eliza Marie Loriana Banzuela. Ritzel Baile Bolaños, cum laude. Rachel May Grateja Bores. Maria Erica Hamisola Buenaobra. Jeric Salimbacod de los Santos. Lawrence Llamas Diputo. Sandara Laguerta Lisalisa. Russell Arpilleda Divina, cum laude. Lisa Jonela Dolfina, cum laude. Jennifer Pura Ereño. Janice Docabo Erhina. Joy Domdom Erhina. Michael Paniergo Irlano. Hino Espidillon Ermino, cum laude. Gary Baronda Iscaros. Carl Felesmino Escobar. Jacqueline Indaya Escolar. Bea Ereño Escultura. Dangeline Spinelli Escultura. May Expedido Escultura. Mikey Espirito Espadero. Rava Estabaya Esparas. Marvin Esquera, cum laude. Ezequiel Clarence Aquino, Stulonyo. Joan Navergas Estrabela. Shelo Marie Incunado Estrellado. Dan Aragon Estremadora. Marife Deliosa Ivardo. Jeremy Balihadya Ivasco. Daisy Camar Fajardo. Raya Micol Ereño Fercol, cum laude. Eugene Fernandez. Rachel Ann Gacosta Frades. Kayla Espaillardo Fraina. Mary Chris Barameda Gabat. Lorena Inverga Galicio. Marion Dexter Banyares Gallanosa. Jessa Marie Arrogante Gaita. John Lester Cheng Grate. Chini Loquerio Hapin. Ronamay Ariston Hebres. Razel Ponelas Hariño. Joshua Hibulan, cum laude. Mary Joy Bolauro Ladimo. Yuri Espenida Laguardia, cum laude. Maria Villa Lagunoy Lagidao, cum laude. Rochelle Dillosa Lelis. Trisha Fabiala Luces. Zaira Fran Mendez. Irene Rabago Nayat. Noela May Jocareza Negrete. Regine Fortades of Alsang. Marla Inconado Pampola. Keno Joven Panuga. Reza Jane Bande Pura, cum laude. Wilson Mostera Quiñones. Genevieve Bilaro Rivato. Glaceline de la Cruz Tisoy. Lovely de Salesa Villegas. And Clarice Wahingon.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Crisaline Fabilani Aguilar, Rimalin Ebres Arellano,
cum laude. Mayla Dominguez Bañares, cum laude. Kisha Bendicio Buban, cum laude. Angelica Escobar Limatera, cum laude. Kayla Espinida Dino, cum laude. Zairen Omlang Dumasig, cum laude. Glenda Tindugan Elpos, cum laude. Princess Fornilosa Emnel, cum laude. Angelique Lianita Enguera, cum laude. Heart Castañeda Iscario. Joan Prado Iscasinas. Kayla May Duma Escobar. Jerome Casquejo Esmeria. Gisrael Erlano Espantalion with academic distinction. Tricia May Espinida, cum laude. Sheena Elaine Fajardo Espinola, cum laude. Anne Sigrid Floranda Estornino, cum laude. Joy Imbate Ferreras, cum laude. Gian Gapas Frago, cum laude. J.Ann Seroma Fuasa, cum laude. Rafaela Salvacion Bañares Fuasa, cum laude. Teresa Grace Blasquino Folieros. Winikim Enrera Fonelas, cum laude. Mereros Casilao Foring. Kenneth Baramida Gabad. Morissette Lay Fermanis Galing, cum laude. Joan Hobilia Garcia. Cheryl May Federio Goho, cum laude. Elaine Furake Hernandez, cum laude. Glory be Espiritu Hisarsa. Rose Ann Himor Marbilla, cum laude. Maria Kate Cos Rosales, cum laude. Jenica Herrera Ruelio, cum laude.
For the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino, Christine Dalapo Aldohesa. Generous Giro Avila, cum laude. Maris Imano Bala, with academic distinction. Yvonne Espinida Billen, cum laude. Clarence Inano Belmonte, cum laude. Hannah Grace Fresnido Beltran. Maria Maica Ann Baile Bolaños. Congratulations. Congratulations. Joel Joquino Juneda. Rowena Ferreras Inconado, cum laude. Luis Galoso Espaillardo. Jaira Marie Sipara Stanislao. Margot Dig Isuriña, cum laude. Ira Viñas Portades, cum laude. Kayla Franchal, cum laude. Mark Lian Rebeche Franchal, cum laude. Ivan Angeles Pensalida, cum laude. Jude Porio Pulong, cum laude. Princess Kayla Portesa Gacias, cum laude. Macy Escaño Galan, cum laude. Jinky Fulo Garote, cum laude. Cristina Brosilo Gayon. Miracle Garcia Hila, cum laude. Samantha Jane Esperanzate Gestre, cum laude. Reynard Españo Lacra. Samuel Hernandizo Lanusa, cum laude. Mika Limboy Llaneta, cum laude. Maika Galino Macabenta. Richel Encela Ocharan, cum laude. Aubrey Rose Escote Prado, magna cum laude. And Syra Duhilio Rabino, cum laude. For bachelor in secondary education, major in social studies. Shelo Dalapo Aldo Hesa, cum laude. Marvin Ocampo Ariston, cum laude. Pauline Solomon Balesa, cum laude. Jasmine Valenzuela Bailon, cum laude. Rose Ann Fuorio Bailon. Aleja Abellano Brin, cum laude. Angelica Maraño Bringino, magna cum laude, and she is the college's outstanding graduate and outstanding graduate in scholarship. Cristina Cassandra Iscalio Dayaon, cum laude. Lea Aduana Encinares, cum laude. Mia Encinares Erlano, cum laude. Elsie Pulo Espaldon, cum laude. Crisaline Jean Herrera Espinele, cum laude, and she is our outstanding graduate in service. Diana May Doctor Esperon, cum laude. Natasha Shane de Salisa Estares, cum laude. Frances Uson Istayani, cum laude. Samantha Ray Encinas Estorninos, cum laude. Judith Iglesia Estrebello, cum laude. Judith de Salisa Evardo, cum laude. Angelica Espineda Felizmino. Jenny Diaz Ferreras, cum laude. Sheena May Culiao Fontalba. Mark Aaron Bringino Fortes, cum laude. Christine May Gabarda Gacos, cum laude. Shane Ashley Albero Gacusta, cum laude. Mia Nika Labido Hile, cum laude. Sarah Jane Espirida Gruta, cum laude. Kayla May Latosa Llaneta. And Jane Antoinette Berlane Ramirez, magna cum laude. Congratulations.
For Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Micaela Erebe Balote. Ana May Ferreras Bo, cum laude. Angela Gigilos Brin. Irish Iscarriaga de Salisa. Reina Salve Escultura Dilco. Auri Kuwa Inahe. Angeline Ereño, cum laude. Angelo Orsal Erlano. Gian Tulonghare Escarda. Mia Andrea Miranda Escobedo. Rose Ann Furaque Escobedo. Claribel Estonanto Espeña. Reggie Billones Esperanzate, cum laude. Biarica Inahe Estayan, cum laude, outstanding graduate in leadership. Francisco Junior Salda Estremera, cum laude. Rexon Indraka Fercol. Monica Dungaban Ferreras. Katrina Gaboca Fuentes. Laika Espeña Funelas. Westrel Emberga Galano. Joy Fraina Galyas. Lorena Bo Galpa. Maria Lucel Joy Divina Lacra. John Mark Fugoso Licop. Charlene Palye Laneta. Christine May Malyate Pasaje. Zarina Pitilo. Mark Joseph Legaspi Pura. Congratulations.
From the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Microfinance. Larilyn Fungo Achay. Alessandra Almira Medina Almirañez, with academic distinction. Christine Del Prado Año Nuevo. Nilin Camara Ariola, cum laude. Maria Sanderly Dumasig Buhawe. Dayan Data. Mark Arian Aranel Distajo. Erica May Esteliero Jo. Princess Yesha Divina Gracia. Kayla May Ivasco Dizon. Tricia May Irol Dumasig. Ray Vincent Galon Durana. Ian Lynn May Junela Imata. Jessa Estrellado Inahe, cum laude. Beverly Shador Intico. Rachel Espiel Erlano, cum laude. Irish Similia Ismeña, cum laude. Heartlyn Indaya Espigol, cum laude. Lisabel Fabilani Estares, cum laude. J. Lucky Gibara Estabilio. Rizel Garjan Estorninos, cum laude. Sheena Harabejo Fidilson. Jayan Indraka Fontanares, cum laude. Jessa Gapan Galicio, cum laude. Shadwell Bruno Garcia. Juana May Incunado Gianan. Giselle Ivano Hular. Crisel Ofalsa. Zaira Escarcha Quiñones, cum laude. Elizabeth Panya Sabando. Maria Bernadine Aranda Sarmiento. And Chini Indaya Tirado. Congratulations.
That concludes the distribution of diplomas. Congratulations, Batch 2026!
Graduates, your journey with Bicol University does not end today. Rather, it enters a new chapter of lifelong connection and service.
As we drew near to the culmination of this memorable event, it is our privilege to invite Ms. Angelica E. Felizmino, President of the Senior Organization.
Inaanyayahan kong tumayo ang lahat. Lahat ng graduates. Itaas ang kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin. Pangako ng katapatan sa alma mater. Bilang isa sa mga nagtapos sa pamantasan ng Bicol, ako'y nagtatapat na mamumuhay ayon sa mga layunin ng aking alma mater. Sa patuloy na pagtuklas ng katotohanan at sa walang sawang pagsilbi sa Diyos at sa kapwa. Sisikapin kong mapahalagahan lahat ng bagay na lumilinang sa kaunlaran na isang malaya at pantay-pantay na lipunan. At sisikapin kong makatulong upang magkaisa at magkasundo ang lahat ng nalikha.
Following the Pledge of Loyalty, we will proceed with the graduates' induction into the Bicol University Alumni Association, officially welcoming them into our alumni community. These ceremonies mark the end of their academic journey and the beginning of their lifelong relationship with Bicol University.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to invite Dr. Attorney Alex Bini Pomoseno, President, BU General Alumni Association Incorporated, and BOR member for the induction of the graduates to the BU Alumni Association.
Mangyari pong itaas muli ang inyong kanang kamay. Sumunod sa akin para sa panata sa samahan ng mga nagtapos. Ako si, pakibanggit ng pangalan, nagtapos sa pamantasan ng Bicol. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa, natutuparin ko ng buong husay at katapatan ang aking tungkulin sa aking alma mater at sa samahan ng mga nagtapos sa paaralang ito. Sisikapin kong huwag madulutan ng anumang bahid ng kahihiyan o kasamaan ang pangalan ng aking paaralan. Babalikatin ko ang aking pananagutan sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa kapwa, nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations and welcome to Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated. Mabuhay ang BUenyo, mabuhay ang BU alumni. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Attorney Alex Bini Pomoseno, President, Bicol University Alumni Association.
The Bicol University hymn symbolizes our pride and loyalty to our alma mater. With music and lyrics from Bobby Garcia, please rise as we sing the Bicol University hymn together. This will be conducted by Dr. Ivan Carlo B. De Blois, Associate Dean of Bicol University Gubat Campus.
To commemorate this meaningful occasion, we invite all the graduates in singing the graduation song. Ladies and gentlemen, great stories.
Graduates of the class of 2026, today you leave Bicol University Gubat campus not only with diplomas but also with the responsibility to use your knowledge, skills, and values in service of our communities and beloved country.
As you move forward in your personal and professional journeys, may you continue to embody the core values of Bicol University: scholarship in the pursuit of excellence,
Leadership in inspiring positive change,
character in upholding integrity and ethical conduct,
and service in advancing the welfare of others. May these values remain your compass as you face new challenges, seize new opportunities, and contribute meaningfully to society. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Christine Andy Alagdon LaGuardia.
and this is Mr. Jason D. Balingbing saying,
Congratulations, class of 2026!
Ladies
And
and gentlemen,
the exit of colors.